G'day folks, today in this quick little video we are going to see whether the new Mavic 2 Pro or Mavic 2 Zoom will fit in the DJI Sling Bag that's designed for the DJI goggles. Now the reason I'm making this video is because I've actually had a few people ask me. They are thinking about getting the Sling Bag because they own the goggles and they have the drone, the new Mavic 2 series, and they want to know if it fits. I thought it was a good question because the Mavic 2 is slightly larger than the Mavic original one, and it was already a tight fit in there to begin with. So I haven't tried this yet, so I'm not sure what the answer is, but we are going to try and see what happens. Now, one bonus that we do have is the original Mavic didn't have removable sticks, so the remote in the bag actually took up a fair amount of room. So that's one thing we have going for us, even though the drone is bigger. So let's get things put in here and we'll see how everything fits. Now, for those of you who are watching who aren't familiar with the DJI Sling Bag for the goggles, basically it is a sling style backpack. One strap on it, and it's designed to hold the goggles. Now, one of the features is it has an expandable section, so if you want to have it just to hold the goggles, you leave it closed, or you unzip it and it reveals a bigger pocket that will hold the Mavic, the original Mavic anyways. So we're going to check to see if it will fit everything with the Mavic 2 series. So let's get the goggles in there first. We'll open it up. So to make everything fit, we have to open the goggles up a little bit. And they have a little spacer that fits in there. So we're going to put the headband part in the bottom first. And there's a little diagram you can see there, and it shows you how it all goes in there. Just goes in there like that. These flaps go down. And then the goggles themselves just go there in the middle. So we'll zip that part up. So, and just like that, it can be used to store your goggles. So just in this configuration, it has a little storage compartment here that you can put some batteries or whatever you want in there, cabling, different things, small FPV drones, because the Racing Edition is compatible with a lot of racing drones. But if you want it to be compatible with the Mavic, you need some extra space. So they have this, it's kind of like luggage. You know how they have that zipper that makes the luggage become a little bit bigger? So just like that, and it raises up. You can see it kind of raises up another 1.5 inches, close to 2 inches. Now when we open this pocket, you can see we have a lot more space in there, and there's some full dividers we can set up. So here is the moment of truth. Let's see how that fits. So as you can see, the aircraft is fitting in there so far. Let me just see if that actually zips up. And yes, it does. We have that divider there. We can put the remote in the back. So we've got one battery in there like that. And that looks like it all will fit in that little front compartment. These batteries are a little bit bigger too. So we got one battery in there, and that looks about as much as we can fit in there. Now there's still a lot of space in this back compartment, and because we have no sticks, it can raise up a little bit more. So we could actually put a battery in there as well, and the remote just on top of it. Just like that, and then we've got our second battery in there. So yeah, there we go. It does fit. And that's about all you could take with it. You can have 3 batteries total, 1 in the aircraft and 2 stored in the bag there. So I guess 3 batteries is pretty sufficient if you're out doing some FPV flying with your goggles. 3 batteries gives you about 1.5 hours and a little bit less. But yeah, so that's not bad. So I guess the answer to the question, does the Mavic 2 Pro or Mavic 2 Zoom fit inside the Sling Bag for the goggles? The answer is yes, it does. Well folks, thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully it answered your question if you were one of the ones wondering if the Mavic 2 series would fit inside the Sling Bag. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one.